Well, I did get a request to, asking about the ammo box stove and the diverter inside. I do have a hot plate on top, and the diverter takes the smoke and gases up to the front of the stove and then up the chimney. So I was going to show that to you today. So the guts of the operation, right here, you see the diverter plate, and then the hot plate, that's been cut out. There is a washer I made, or a gasket, that is a separate piece also. So when I screwed this hot plate on, I went up through the bottom, and then I ground off the 4 screws where it came through the top. The diverter plate does do a great job of taking the flame to the front before it goes up the chimney. The only problem is lighting it. So what I'm going to do today is take this diverter plate, put a rod on it so I can move it back and forth. So first, we don't need this chimney on here. We'll pull it off. Set it inside. And then the diverter, I've held in with 2 screws. That's through actually had a rolled lip there. Found me a rod. Got 2 of those. I already have a hole here that was all the way forward, so I'm going to go ahead and get that drilled out and set another one here. And that way it'll slide on top of it. I've also got a hook to pull it in and out, so I'll get that set through the hole and then think about welding it on maybe. So I've got the 2 rods in, I'm just holding them in place. Basically, all I've done is put a bigger ball on the end of that, or welded it to it, whichever the case may be, just so it won't fall out. That way also the stove, when it heats up, won't expand and contract quite so much. It kind of holds that together. So there we go. Got the diverter in. Front door. Right now it would be in the fire position, where it would take the flame and smoke to the back and up the chimney. After you have it all lit, push it back, all the way back. It'll divert to the front. The smoke will come up past the hot plate, and much better cooking efficiency. Like that. That way is to light it. That way is to run the hot plate. Go ahead and pull it and get it. See that wax, that'll get everything moving. Temperature on top is 79, and I do have it diverted where the smoke is going up the back and out the chimney directly. the way to the back there now. So what I'll do is I'll close that where it's going to make the smoke come to the front now. Let's see how that hot plate reacts to that. Well, we're 84 already. About 94. It's going up. Okay, got the diverter all the way in, so smoke and fire is coming to the front and then up the chimney. I've had it been burning here for about 10 minutes. 183 degrees on the plate. $202, so it is going up.